What's up YouTube? It's your boy Just Space Kiss by back with another video, and today we have another beater box unboxing, and this is from Ultimate Kicks. Once again, go check them out, go check them out, go check them out. Actually, the box that we got is actually in this picture right here. But what I'm gonna do actually is, because I had bought this box and I bought a bundle from one of my friends that I know. So I'm just gonna basically combine it because, yeah, I'm not about to make two videos with like, you're just gonna see. But let's start off with the first shoe. So before we get into it, so basically the Ultimate Kicks box cost $100, and the box I got from my friend cost $110. So put them together, that's $210 basically for the box. So plus shipping, I think it was like, shipping for Ultimate Kicks was like $14, so it was like $114. So roughly like a $230, $240 box. So, but the first shoe we have is the Air Force One. I'm gonna call these mocha just because they have that brown color to them. I don't know if that's actually the name, but that's what they're gonna get called. Yeah, but if you do the actual name of these, let me know in the comments. But Air Force One mocha, I actually like these, bro. This is a nice solid color. So we're just like an all black, but it's not. So not a lot of, pretty much no stars gone, not a lot of heel drag. So a good shoe. And this is actually these are in a size 8. So Air Force One mocha size 8. Let's go to the second shoe. Okay, so for the second shoe, we have a pair of pretty used Air Jordan 6 Tinkers. As you can see, there's some scuffs and stuff. This is one of the shoes I got from my friend. So I'm gonna tell you like which shoe I got from either Ultimate Kicks or my man. So I got these from him. Not that bad of condition, but they're definitely heavily worn. The nubuck on here is okay. It's not too good, but yeah. So Air Jordan 6 Tinker, size 12, no insoles. So yeah, this is the second shoe. Let's move into the third shoe. Okay, so for the third shoe, we have a pair of Air Jordan 10. Oh wow. Pair of Air Jordan 11. Come on now. Air Jordan 11, i.e., I think these like gym red, something like that. Varsity red, something red. But this is, I actually like these type of 11s just because it's something different. Not the patent leather, but just something nice all the way around. Gives me that cherry type of vibe. These could be called cherries. I don't know. But I'll put the name in the clips after to keep up the tally, so you know the tally after. Basically, I'll show you guys the shoe. But these are a size 10, good condition. We do have heel drag along the back right here, and I did get these from my man's. These don't have insoles again. Okay, but I definitely have insoles, just a whole bunch of insoles. So these will end up having insoles at some point, but kind of dirty around the midsole. But nice shoe, nice shoe. Let's move to the fourth shoe. So the fourth shoe, this is the last shoe I got from my friend, and this is actually a pair of Air Jordan 9 Take Flight. And these are a size 6Y, so GS 6. That's why they don't have that icy milky outsole. They just have a little rubber outsole. But these are in good condition also, not worn too much, not as much heel drag, just some yellowing due to wear. But yeah, uppers are nice, just a few little scuffs here and there, but not too bad. So let's move into the fifth shoe. So the fifth shoe is a pair of Air Jordan 5 Independence Day. Pretty good condition. Just some creasing along the toe. But this is also if you don't know about this shoe, the shoe has patent leather, so the toe box is patent leather, and this back heel part is patent leather also. But the middle parts right here, that's leather. But yeah, so the patent leather is creased, so that's gonna be fun to get out. These have insoles. I don't know if you can see. Nah, you can't see that. But the Jordan sign is still in the insole, which is good. The insole's not too dirty, so these probably weren't worn like too much because there's not a lot of heel drag either. But the bottoms are definitely dirty and yellow. But good shoe. I like this shoe. And these are a size 10.5 also. So yeah. So now let's move into the next shoe. So the next shoe we have out is a pair of Air Jordan 1 mid. I'm gonna say bread, but I know they're not like breads because, I mean, they're breads just because they have the black, white, and red, but that's what I'm gonna call them. So Air Jordan 1 mid breads. These didn't come with laces. I didn't see any laces when I opened the box, but these are still in good condition. Just some creasing along the toe box, of course, because they're ones, and some creasing along the back part right here. But there was no laces, but I can find a pair of black or red laces to get put in these. These are size 10.5. Heel drag, not a lot in the back, but there is some star loss up front. So these were worn pretty, fairly. But size 10.5 Air Jordan 1 mid breads. Let's move on to the last shoe. Last but not least, we have a pair of Air Jordan 5, silver tongue, fire red 5s, in a size, these are big, in a size 13. Yep, size 13. And these are in good condition also. Not as much wear to the bottom, just yellow pretty much. And what I'm probably going to do is, I'm going to try and get a new icing product that's a little stronger than the 40 volume cream that I've seen that works better on icy soles. So I'm gonna try that, and I may use these or just some other 5s or a pair, but I will make an icing video soon, another icing video, and I'll show my indoor setup and stuff like that because I don't do the outdoor method. But Air Jordan 5 silver tongue fire red 5, size 13, great condition. Only problem that I've seen, I'm gonna show you the other shoe actually. There's a scuff right here on the other shoe on the toe. But I mean, we can fix that, just some of that flat white Angelus paint, and it'll be back right. So that is actually gonna be it with this mystery box, beater box, sort of like a 2-in-1, but only from one actual company. So if you guys do want to start getting some good steals, beater boxes like I do, I'm gonna link my man's Ultimate Kicks link down in the description to go cop some shoes, beater boxes. I've been talking to him and he said he will be dropping beater boxes weekly for the low also. So go grab you some beater boxes if you're trying to start up selling used shoes. They're just trying to just make some money off flipping shoes basically. So I'm gonna link that down below, but that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gone.